A lot of my projects on face value are quite different. If I had to kind of locate a particular way of working, is that I'm really interested in the overlaid image, the way in which you can collapse different images together and what that means. And I guess what that speaks to is my interest in not just the singular image, but the image in a serial form. I'm Sara Oscar. I'm a Sydney-based artist. I live and work in Sydney. The work that I've made here is called My Body in Pieces, Body in Pieces. I guess it's a self-portrait, and it's a self-portrait that's made in relation to my family members, particularly my father and my uncle. What I was really interested in is the way in which they're flexing their bodies and throwing their bodies informs a particular way of seeing myself genetically and in terms of a body ideal. If you look closely in the work, some of my father's arms are collapsed over the top of mine, and then in other parts my arms are collapsed over the top of his, and so you kind of end up with this confusion of who sits where and what body is, whose body is whose, and so on. So it's a body in pieces in that sort of sense, a fragmentation. It's really an honour just to be in this exhibition with so many amazing artists. It's kind of a little bit humbling, actually. I kind of look around and go, wow, like these, and I see sort of synergies with a lot of the other kind of figurative work, that there are sort of crossovers with particular ideas, and so it's really nice to know that there are some things that are in the air, or that the artists are thinking about particular ideas around photography and identity and portraiture in a particular way, and to sort of see them all kind of come together in this space is a real honour.